Okay, doubts in maths? Rajat, your doubt? Of chapter? When should we finish? Surface area. Can you repeat question?
Engineering student was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two holes.
Cylinder with?
Two holes.
Okay, आगे continue.
Attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 cm and its length is 12 cm. If each cone has a height of 2 cm, find the volume of.
Nishant, please can you repeat the question?
Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with its two cones attached at its ends by using a thin aluminium sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 cm.
So the diameter of this model, which is cylindrical from the middle and conical from both the ends, it has a diameter of 3 centimeters. Okay. That means that is 1.5 centimeters the radius of the cylindrical portion.
And its length is 12 cm.
The whole length of this figure is 12 centimeters.
If each cone has the height of 2 cm,
Height of each cone is 2 centimeters.
find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made.
Okay. Thank you, Prashant. Rajat, now for this question, what is the height of the cylinder? How will you find the height of the cylinder? The whole length of this figure is 12 centimeters and the height of the conical portion is 2 into centimeters. So how can you find the length of the cylindrical portion?
Length of whole figure in length of whole.
बेटा इंटू करेंगे. आपके पास पूरी लेंथ है, आपके पास ये दोनों लेंथ है. How can you find the length of the cylindrical portion? सोच के देखो, फिगर देख के सोच के बोलो.
Divide, ma'am. Length of whole figure divided and length.
अच्छा काम ना डिवाइड क्यों करें? You have the length of this whole figure. You have the length of this conical portion. Then what should be the length of the cylindrical portion? Priyanshu, length of the cylindrical portion. This is the figure. This is the whole length. The length of the conical portion is 2 centimeter. So what should be the length of the cylindrical portion? Use your mind. What are you doing? Your name Anas. Anas. Yeah. We will separate the length of these, the height of these cone from the total height of the figure. Then we can find the height of the cylinder. रजत क्या चीज इसमें समझ में नहीं आ रही? आप मुझे बताओ, पूरे फिगर की लेंथ मेरे पास है, ये दोनों हाइट मेरे पास है और इससे कम है. So आप ये नहीं दिखा सकते यहाँ से यहाँ तक की लेंथ कितनी होगी? क्या करोगे? सबट्रैक्ट ही तो करोगे ना ये दोनों लेंथ. क्यों? So the height, the length of the, or we can say the height of the cylindrical portion is 12 minus 2 plus 2. It will be how much? It will be 8 centimeter. The 12 is the whole length and 12 minus 2 and 2. That is 8 centimeter. Now you have to find the volume of the air contained in this figure. So what will you do? Just try, yeah. What should be the volume of this whole figure? Okay. Ritika?
The volume of two cones plus volume of cylinder.
Simple. If you want to find the volume of this figure, what will you do? You will add all the volume of these cone, cylinder and this cone. Okay? So what is the volume of this cone? It is? What is the formula for the volume of cone?
2 pi.
नहीं बच्चा, what is the volume of the cylinder?
2 pi r.
Pi r square. First you should learn all the formulas, है ना? So the volume of the cone is 1/3 of pi r square. I am writing it like h1 and h2. h1 is the height of the conical portion and h2 is the height of the cylindrical portion. That's why we don't confuse. So 1/3 pi r square h plus Vaibhav, what are you doing in your notebook? Plus pi r square h2 and plus the volume of this cone. What is the volume? 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, clear? So what can you do for easy calculation? We can take 1/3 pi r square as a common. So 1/3 pi r square is common. h1 plus h2 plus h1. Now we can put the values of all the symbols, like what is the value of pi? 22.7. R is 1.5. h1 2, h2 8 and h1 is again 2 centimeter. So can you calculate yourself here?
सिलेंडर के वॉल्यूम में से 1/3 कॉमन.
Oh yes, very good. Yes, good. अगर कोई बताता है कि कहाँ पे कुछ गलती हुई है, इसका मतलब वो sincerely देख रहा है. Good, thank you बेटा. Good. So we are taking pi r square as a common because there is no 1/3, so we can't take 1/3 as a common. Thank you, Rishabh. Clear? Can you calculate it? Okay. Now the next one. Any other doubt from this line? हाँ पे आ जाओ. May I have this figure? Huh? If you want, you can please draw the figure of this question. Yes, Priyanshu?
Example number 7.
Oh, please can you read the question?
A solid toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone.
But it means a hemisphere is surmounted by a cone. What is the meaning of this term? It means this is a hemisphere, now half sphere, and it is surmounted by a cone. It means a cone is placed over this hemisphere. So this is the meaning of surmounted by the cone. This hemisphere is surmounted by the cone. Okay.
The height of the cone is 2 centimeter
The height of this conical portion is 2 centimeter. This is the height of the cone.
and the diameter of the base is 4 centimeter.
So what can we say about the radius?
2.
2 centimeter.
Determine the volume of a toy if a right circular cylinder circumscribes the toy.
Okay. Now again, we are placing this toy in a cylinder. You know? Does that? Rancho, read the question.
Find the differences of the volume of the cylinder and the toy.
Okay. So it is, I think it is given that this toy is fitted in the cylinder. Huh? So this toy is already fitted in the cylinder. It means what should be the radius of the cylindrical portion? The same question is there in the exercise. That is question number 7. So what should be the radius of the cylinder, Priyanshu? It should be, if it is given that this cylinder is totally circumscribed in this figure, this toy. So what should be the radius of the cylindrical portion? 2. No? 2 centimeter. And what should be the height of the cylindrical portion? Just look the figure carefully and answer me. What should be the height of this cylindrical portion? Okay, good. It is 4. But why 4? This height is of conical portion, that is 2. And what should be the height of the hemisphere? 2. Yeah, it's good. It means the hemisphere is always have the height of 2 centimeter. What's your name? Achal, what is your name? Your name? Nandita. What are you doing in your notebook? What are you doing? Okay, beta. I will give you the time to write your answers. Hai na? Don't do anything that in your notebook now. Okay, Priyanshu. So the height of this whole cylinder is, don't say me. Nandita, what should be the height of this cylinder? And why? What is the height of the cylindrical portion? Don't look in your book now. Look at here. What should be the height of the cylinder and why? aware. Don't always आप ये मत कोशिश करो कि सिर्फ उतारना है, पहले समझो. उतारने के लिए टाइम दूंगी मैं आपको. The height of the cylindrical portion is the height of the cone plus the height of the hemisphere, and the hemisphere has always height equal to the radius. So the height of this cylinder is 4 centimeter. Okay, now sit down. So in first part, I think you have to find the volume of this toy, na? So Priyanshu, what should be the volume of this toy?
2/3 pi r cube.
This is the volume of the hemisphere, and
1/3 pi r.
yes, we will add the volume of all those two figures, the volume of the cone and the volume of the hemisphere. If we add these two volumes, we can find the volume of the toy. So what should be the volume of the toy? It is 1/3 pi r square h plus, I am writing it like h1 because there are two heights, the height of the conical portion and the height of the cylindrical portion. So 1/3 pi r square h1 plus 2/3 pi r cube. Now what can we take as a common? Priyanshu, look in your notebook, in your book.
Pi r.
Pi r square as well as 1/3.
Pi r.
So we can take a common as 1/3 pi r square, and what should be there in the bracket? h1 plus 2r. So can you put the values? You can put the values and can find the volume of the toy. Now the next part is, please can you read the last line of the question?
Find the differences of the volumes of the cylinder and the toy.
Now you have to find the difference in the volume of the cylindrical portion and this toy. So what will you do? Difference means subtract, है ना? Difference मतलब difference निकालना, subtract करना है. So कैसे निकालेंगे आप? You want to find the difference between the volume of the cylinder and the straw. So what will you do?
Volume of cylinders minus
Volume of the straw. So we will do subtract the volume of the toy from the volume of the cylindrical portion. So what is the volume of the cylinder?
pi r square.
Good. It is pi r square and h2. है ना? h2 is the height of the cylindrical portion. Minus. So आप इसको देखो पहले निकाल दोगे, आप चाहो तो as it is वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हो. Can you solve it yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Calculations only. You can put the values. In this part, you also can take common pi r square here. तो थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन और कम हो जाएगा अगर आपने कैलकुलेशन यहाँ नहीं करी हुई है तो. अगर आपने यहाँ कैलकुलेशन कर रखी है फिर तो कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है, आप सीधा वॉल्यूम निकाल के माइनस कर दो. वरना और इजी करने के लिए मैसिव मैंसुरेशन में आप क्या करते हो, सरफेस एरिया वॉल्यूम में आप जितना कैलकुलेशंस को कम करोगे उतना आंसर करेक्ट आएंगे, एक्यूरेट आता है. और जितनी ज्यादा कैलकुलेशंस होती है वहाँ बहुत ज्यादा की पॉसिबल की गलतियां हो जाए. Sit down. If you want, please, you can draw the figure and you can write the hint from this question, of this question. Doubt from this line? Any doubt? Okay. Abhishek, I think you have doubt, no? No doubt this one. Abhishek, read your question.
A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup.
Gulab jamun question. This is a container in which 45 gulab jamun are there, है ना? And gulab jamun are in the shape of the cylinder. Shristi, why are you talking? Okay, I think you are going to answer me this question, है ना? Stand up. Abhishek, read the question.
Syrup up to the about 30% of its volume.
Now the sugar syrup in this container is 30% the volume of gulab jamun. There are 45 gulab jamuns are there in the cylinder, and the volume of the sugar syrup is 30% that of the volume of the 45 gulab jamun. Vaibhav, don't do anything in your notebook now. Look at it. Yes.
Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns.
If the dimensions of the gulab jamun are
Each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical and with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm.
Since the diameter of the gulab jamun is 2.8 centimeters, so we can say the radius of the cylinder is 1.4 centimeter. Now you have to find the volume of the gulab jamun, one gulab jamun. So gulab jamun is in the shape of cylinder plus two hemisphere. So what will you do, Shrishti?
Volume of cylinder, hemisphere.
Volume of cylinder plus the volume of the two hemisphere. Now we don't have the height of the cylindrical portion. What will you do? How can you find the height of the cylinder?
Minus
Minus what?
volume of cylinder.
Huh? You have to find the height of the cylindrical portion, the length of the cylindrical portion. So what is the length of the cylindrical portion? Abhishek, what should be the length of the cylindrical portion?
5 minus 2.8.
Yeah. Since the height of the hemisphere is always equal to the radius, so we can say what is the length of this portion? It is 1.4 Vaibhav. So what should be the length of this one? It is 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4. Is it clear? So this is the length of the cylindrical portion. Now Abhishek, what can we do to find the volume of this gulab jamun? Sit down.
Volume of two hemisphere plus volume of cylinder.
So what is the volume of hemisphere?
2.5.
Good. So the two hemispheres should have the volume 2 into 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So for every question you should always write the values which are given in the question, like what is the radius of the gulab jamun, what is the length of the gulab jamun. So first of all write all the values which is given in the question, because the marks, the questions of mensurations are coming 2, 3, 5, even the 5 marks question can be there of mensuration of surface area and volume. So always write properly, accurately. So this is the volume of the hemisphere, 2 hemisphere plus
Volume of cylinder.
volume of cylinder. What is the volume of cylinder?
This correct.
Pi r square. So what can we do now? Oh, we can take the pi r square common. It makes the questions with the easy calculations. To calculate easily, we can take common. 4 upon 3 r plus h. Now you can put the values of all the figures like the r and the h. So you will find the volume of, this is the volume of one gulab jamun. मेरे ख्याल से हमने वाला क्वेश्चन किया था क्लास में, क्यों शांता ने पूरा क्वेश्चन किया था देखो कैलकुलेशन. सो ये वॉल्यूम है 1 गुलाब जामुन का. और फॉर द 45 गुलाब जामुन व्हाट विल यू डू? Abhishek, if you have the volume of 1 gulab jamun and there are 45 gulab jamun, what will you do to find the volume of 45 gulab jamun?
Into
हाँ,
45
into 45. So you will multiply this volume of 1 gulab jamun with the 45, and then you can find the volume of 45 gulab jamun. And it is given that the 30% of the sugar syrup is there in the beaker. So how can you find the volume of the sugar syrup? Since the volume of the sugar syrup is 30% of the volume of 45 gulab jamun. So how can you find the volume of the sugar syrup? देखो दिया है क्वेश्चन में साफ साफ लिखा है 45 गुलाब जामुन का 30% शुगर है, शुगर सिरप है. तो आपको अगर शुगर सिरप का वॉल्यूम निकालना है तो क्या करोगे? जो भी दिमाग में आ रहा है बोलो, सही है गलत है वो मैं डिसाइड कर लूंगी. आपको क्या लगता है क्या करना चाहिए?
30 into 45 upon
30%. We will multiply this volume. This is the volume of 45 gulab jamun. Since the volume of sugar syrup is 30% of that, so what will you do? We will multiply it by 30%. 30 upon 100. And this is the volume of sugar syrup present in the gulab jamun. Can you calculate it yourself? This is only the calculations. Add, multiply, divide. Any other question from this line? Okay, just take it. Please write down this question. Dishan. Shasti? Question.
A vessel in the form of inverted cone, its height is 8 cm and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 cm.
What is the height and the radius?
Height 8 cm,
Okay. And?
radius 5 cm.
Okay.
It is filled with water up to the brim, which needs top, each of which is sphere of radius 0.5.
The radius of this sphere which is dropped into these cones are how much?
0.5.
0.5 centimeter. Okay.
Are dropped in the vessel. 1/4 of the water flow out. Find the number of lead dropped in the vessel.
Okay. You have to find how many number of lead shots are there in this conical container. If it is given that the 1/4 of the volume is 1/4 volume of water is coming out from this cone. If we drop the n number of lead shots here, so let the number of these spares are n. Huh? Okay. So what should be the volume of the water in the container? Shrishti, what should be the volume of the water in this cone? आपने कोन के अंदर पानी भरा हुआ है ना, तो उस पानी का वॉल्यूम कितना होगा? Shrishti, have you learned the formula of cone, sphere, cylinder? No, it's not good. Really not. Yeah, good. So the volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square. So we can find the volume of the water in the conical जो भी है container is equal to 1/3 pi r square into h. Vaibhav. So this is the volume of the water in this inverted cone. Now if we put some lead shots in this cone, then we find that the 1/4 of the volume of the water is coming out from this cone. Huh? So suppose the n number of lead shots we put in this cone. So what should be the okay? What should be the volume of the one sphere? Huh?
4/3 pi r cube.
Very good. So the volume of the one is sphere. Volume of one sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube into n. Suppose we put n number of lead shots in this conical term. So what should the volume of the n spheres? Huh? बोलो. आपने n लेड शॉट्स इसके अंदर डाल दिए, ठीक है? इसके अंदर कुछ पानी भरा हुआ था, हमने इसके अंदर स्पेयर्स डाल दिए. हमने n नंबर ऑफ स्पेयर्स के अंदर डाल दिए. आपने एक स्पेयर का वॉल्यूम बताया है ना, तो n स्पेयर्स का वॉल्यूम कितना होगा ना बच्चा? ये स्पेयर्स है ना, ये जो बॉल है, सपोज आपने n बॉल डाली है, n नंबर ऑफ है ना, सो n बॉल्स का वॉल्यूम कितना होगा? इंटू जो भी आपको समझ में आता है बोला करो, सही है गलत है हम देख लेंगे. Into n. So we will multiply the volume of the one sphere by n. Okay. So the volume of n sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube into n. अब आप मुझे ये बताओ, आपने फिजिक्स में पढ़ी है, आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल पढ़ा था लास्ट ईयर. उसमें क्या होता था कि जितना वॉल्यूम आप अंदर डालोगे उतना वॉल्यूम लिक्विड बाहर आएगा. पढ़ा है ना? सो आप मुझे बताओ कि अगर मैं आपसे कह रही हूँ कि इस टोटल वॉल्यूम का 1/4 वॉल्यूम पानी बाहर आ रहा है, हाँ? सो ये जो 1/4 पानी का वॉल्यूम है ये किसके इक्वल होना चाहिए? सपोज आपने पानी में डुबकी लगाई, तो आपका जो खुद का वॉल्यूम है तो पानी डिस्प्लेस करोगी ना, हाँ? अगर आपने n नंबर ऑफ लेड शॉट अंदर डाल दिए हैं और 1/4 पानी बाहर आ रहा है, तो ये 1/4 पानी का वॉल्यूम किसके इक्वल होना चाहिए? सृष्टि, रजत,
स्फेरिकल और इनटू n वो डालेंगे.
जितना n स्पेयर्स का वॉल्यूम है और ये जो 1/4 पानी बाहर आया उसका वॉल्यूम इक्वल होगा ना. आपने इसमें आप जानते हो ना, जितना वॉल्यूम अंदर डाला है उतना ही पानी, उतना ही वॉल्यूम का लिक्विड बाहर आएगा. ठीक है? तो आपने कहा द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर फ्लो आउट फ्रॉम द कॉनिकल पोर्शन दैट इज 1/4 ऑफ वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्पून. This volume of water which is coming out from the cone should be equal to the volume of n spheres which we drop into the cone. है ना? अगर आपने n स्पेयर अंदर डाले तो n स्पेयर्स का वॉल्यूम और जो पानी बाहर आया उसका वॉल्यूम इक्वल होगा. सो आप दोनों को इक्वल टू में रख लेते हैं. n into 4/3 pi r। और फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ l व्हाट विल यू डू, इसको उठा के यहाँ ले जाओ डिवीजन में, कैलकुलेशन आती है ना इतनी तो करनी, पाई से पाई कैंसिल हो जाएगा, फिर कैलकुलेट कर लो। सिस्टर इज इट क्लियर? वी स्टार्ट ऑन दिस वन। क्वेश्चन
13.1 exercise. A hemispherical section is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block such that
cubical wooden block now.
yes ma'am.
So this is a cubical wooden block and we do a hemispherical depression in this block, like this. हाँ, ऐसे स्कूप करके बाहर निकाल दो। वैभव, मानसी,
That the diameter of the hemisphere is L
is diameter is L, so the radius is L upon 2.
is equal to the edge of the field.
Okay.
Determine the surface area of the remaining solid.
So Priyanshu Negi, what should be the surface area of this remaining solid? If we scoop out a hemisphere from this cubical portion, so what should be the surface area of this remaining figure? आपने क्यूब के अंदर एक गड्ढा करके हेमिस्फीयर, अब आपको ये बताना है कि ये जो आपका गड्ढा करने के बाद जो फिगर बचा है इसका सरफेस एरिया कितना है टोटल। सो हाउ विल यू फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस फिगर?
Surface area of this minus 4.
I think you don't clear about the surface area of the figures. It's a really very important part of this chapter. The first exercise, the most important exercise, and I explain it in your class. So okay, now the next one who is going to explain. Raise a hand who is going to explain what should be the area of this figure. Only 3 hands. 4, 5, 6. Okay, Priyanshu Swan. What should be the surface area of this remaining figure?
Surface area of sphere minus
No.
cube minus
Again, it's not clear to you. How can you find the surface area of the figure?
no, area of cube minus
Really bad. Yeah, area of cube minus?
area of sphere.
No. I can't imagine. How can you answer it? Vaibhav?
Yes, cubed
हाँ,
माइनस
हाँ,
पायर ये ऊपर सर्कल
Yeah.
प्लस ये
very good. Good. Sit down. Priyanshu. Mansi, just try to understand. The surface area of the figure means the whole area which you are able to see. So just imagine that this is suppose this is a cube, है ना? And we are doing a hemispherical depression over it. So आप ये imagine करके चलो कि the area which you have to paint. Suppose you are providing a paint here and you have to paint all the figure. So the area which you are going to paint here is the total surface area of the figure. अब आप सोचो आपने एक हेमिस्फीयर का डिप्रेशन किया हुआ है, आप कहाँ पेंट करोगे? तो पांचों बॉल्स पे यहाँ पे करोगे, आप छत पे करोगे, मैं छत पे एक गोल छेद हो रहा है यहाँ पे, है ना? ये हेमिस्फीयर का जहाँ पे हेमिस्फीयर अटैच है वहाँ पे तो गोल होल ही है। सो आप कौन कौन सा एरिया पेंट करोगे? आपने कहा एक तो मैं पूरा क्यूब में से माइनस कर दूं ये गोला जहाँ पे हेमिस्फीयर अटैच हो रहा है, क्योंकि उस जगह तो पेंट नहीं करना। सो माइनस माइनस का, और उसकी जगह कहाँ करना है हमें? वो जो हेमिस्फीयर हमने गड्ढा किया वहां पे करना है। सो हेमिस्फीयर का एरिया कितना है? इट इज 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर। सो टोटल सरफेस एरिया का मतलब है जो फिगर में एरिया आपको दिखाई दे रहा है उसका आपको टोटल सरफेस एरिया निकालना है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछ लेती हूँ ऐसे ही, ताकि पता चल जाए मुझे आपको कितना समझ में आया। ये क्यूब है और we are adjoining a hemisphere here. We are adjoining, not cube out, not scoop out. We are adjoining a hemisphere over this. So what should be the total surface area of this figure now? Just imagine the area which you have to paint. If you are provided with the paint, and the area which you have to paint here should be the total surface of this figure.
Total surface area of cube.
Total surface area of cube, that is 4a square. Yes.
6a square.
sorry 6 square okay sorry हाँ
plus curved surface area of hemisphere.
plus 2 pi r square हो गया. And what is about this circular portion which is covered with this hemisphere?
तो अंदर है ना?
तो वो अंदर का पेंट नहीं कर पा रहे ना, आपने तो उसको 6 स्क्वायर में ऐड कर दिया. क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Minus
हाँ. So what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. Pi r square is the area of the circle. Yeah. So we will first of all we will subtract the area of the circle from this 6a square, है ना? And then we will add the area of this hemisphere. The chord surface of the hemisphere that is 2 pi r square. One more question. This is a cylinder. Okay. And we make two hemispherical depression here. Two hemispherical depression on both the sides. So what should be the total surface area of this figure now? Just imagine you are provided with the paint and you have to paint the figure. So what are the areas?
Curved surface area of cylinder
That is 2 pi RH
plus
plus
total surface area of sphere.
Nancy should be clear that the area which you have to paint here now, what are the areas you will have to paint? एक सिलेंडर है, आपने ऊपर भी गड्ढा कर दिया हेमिस्फीयर, नीचे भी गड्ढा कर दिया हेमिस्फीयर. कौन कौन से एरिया आपको पेंट करना है, उस एरिया को ऐड करोगे तो टोटल सरफेस एरिया मिल जाएगा. Plus 2 pi r square is the area of this hemisphere.
2 into 2 pi r square.
Yeah. We will add the surface area, curved surface area of both the hemisphere. Clear? Okay. So for this question, thank you. Now sit down. For this question, first of all, we will find the total surface area of the cube. We will subtract the area of the circular portion which we scoop out from this cube, and then we will add the surface area of this hemisphere. And then you can put the values here and easily calculate the, not calculate because L given है तो L से calculation तो होती नहीं. Okay.